Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Lamborghini Huracan and the Chevrolet Corvette Z06. These two incredible machines represent the pinnacle of performance from their respective countries. We'll explore their raw power, how they feel to drive, and their overall value, helping you decide which one might be the better fit for your garage. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to raw power, the Corvette Z06 packs a punch with 670 horsepower from its 5.5-liter V8 engine. The Lamborghini Huracan with its 5.2-liter V10 delivers up to 640 horsepower. Both are incredibly fast, with the Z06 hitting 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds, and the Huracan achieving it in as little as 2.8 seconds. The Huracan's top speed is around 202 miles per hour, while the Z06 reaches 195 miles per hour. Beyond the numbers, the driving experience differs significantly. The Huracan offers a dramatic, exotic feel with its naturally aspirated V10 whale and luxurious interior. The Z06, on the other hand, is a track-bred machine, providing precise handling and immense grip, making it incredibly capable on a circuit. Price is a major factor. The Z06 starts around $120,000, while a Huracan typically begins at over $250,000, representing a substantial difference in investment. So which car is better? If you seek incredible performance, track capability, and exceptional value, the Corvette Z06 is a phenomenal choice, offering supercar thrills for a fraction of the cost. However, if you desire the undeniable prestige, dramatic styling, and a truly exotic driving experience, the Lamborghini Huracan stands alone. Ultimately, the better car depends on your priorities and budget. Don't forget to check the description for links to these cars and other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.